The president spoke about the opportunity, and sometimes opportunities come as issues, problems, and you all have a great opportunity now, right? To represent your country is one of the greatest honors that you can have, right? But not just that, think about the opportunity that you can get, right? And you guys have done exceptionally well, I think. I mean, everyone was on the edge of their seats on Wednesday, right? And when the goal scorer, right? I mean, I think everyone was pleased. I mean, we just went on 2-1, but it was a great performance. In fact, the headline in the Gleaner was Brave Reggae Girlz, right? So you girls have really, really done well. The president has spoken to you about the opportunities and spoke to you about the emails actually in Australia with the president at the time. So you have a great, great opportunity in front of you, right? We will always, of course, try to provide all the support that you need, right? So that you can perform at your best, right? And be comfortable, right? I spoke with the Minister of Sport today, President Patrick Ridge, and she wants to come and meet you guys. So sometime between today and maybe Sunday, she'll come and meet you guys. I know that it's a big jump for some, right? Because going to the senior team is really a big jump, but I'm sure you're all up to it. The fact that you were able to fly in and with 1 hour training, right? And that's the thing to remember. With 1 hour training, you were able to perform like that. It means that you have a huge potential in front of you. And of course, you have passion. Because she don't know it, but when I used to come and watch her, she was my favorite player, right? And she has provided some phenomenal leadership. So look at that. She has experience, and Marlo will come in later, right? Marlo, also a very experienced friend. Melissa, you obviously are very experienced also, right? And you know, all I would say to you is that we scored 1 goal on Wednesday. We're looking for 10 Sunday, right? So we're going to share it out, right? How much you going to 9? Right? So we're looking for that. So I want to commend all of you girls because you answered the call, and that's very important. I know the president is someone who is loyalty, so the fact that that's our president, it shows the loyalty, right? So that's important. So guys, we're gonna have a great game on Sunday. Enjoy yourselves. Right? We're gonna have a great game. I want to end by thanking also staff. Xavier, Margaret, and the rest of staff. I think Xavier really set up. And we have to commend them. So, guys, have fun. I mean, you have your support here, Crystal, Earl, Marvin. Marvin, you're on the team?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, but the team, the truth is that when you say that, the team is more than just who's here because a lot of work goes on in the background to ensure that the game takes place. A whole lot of work. Alright? So guys, just those proud as usual, go out, enjoy yourselves, right? You're on the big stage now, right? Big stage. Jamaica, remember, it's not just the people in the stadium that's going to be watching you, but it's going to be broadcast across the world. Alright, so remember that you're on the big stage now. So this is the opportunity. Hold it, grab it, and run with it. Alright? Thanks.